Alright guys, welcome to RC Mojo. This week we're at the London Model Engineering Expo. Pretty much the same stuff as last year, but that's not to say it was a bad show, far from it. It's always a great way to get touchy-feely with some machine tools and materials before buying. As usual, I spent most of my time at the Tamiya truck-in layout. Always a pleasure to watch the trucks mill around. I think this year might be the year we build one on RC Mojo. The question is, do we go for the Grand Hauler, probably the best value for money, or a Euro truck like the Scania? Tough choice. I like the Grand Hauler for its shiny Americanness, but the Scania would be a fair bit more manoeuvrable. But then I've not really got anywhere scale to run one anyway, so being manoeuvrable in an empty car park is really neither here nor there. It would just be the tractor unit for now. The Tamiya trailers cost almost as much again. I'm open to suggestions though, should be fun. The BMFA had their little stand trying to enlist new members with Horizon hobbies acting as bait. There was a constant crowd watching through the safety net. The little drones were doing their thing, but most of the interest was for the profile models. Lovely, slow controlled flight. Constant comments from the spectators, and I bet the BMFA got at least a couple of new members from them. Being an engineering show, there was a large amount of little steam engines, mostly running on compressed air, but you get the idea. There was an awful lot of really big model trains, but there was also some small ones. N-gauge here, more traditional modelling rather than engineering, but nice to see all the same. The show really needs more variety to keep going. At some point, the greybeards will need replacing with some younger blood. A bit more RC engineering might go a fair way to get more people in the doors. Some of the stuff made for the custom scale rigs would easily attract some new people. One last thing before I end, the good old RC steam trains. You can just about see a Spectrum DX6 in the background, quite neat, but I'm not sure what they control other than the throttle, or regulator being steam. Quite neat nonetheless. Anyway, that's about it. There was of course a lot more, but I think I've already pushed the boundaries of an RC-centric channel, so here's some London from the top of the hill at Ali Pali. I would have filmed Canary Wharf, but there's two whacking great trees in the way, so you get this bit of London just to the left. Still nice though, a very clear day. So yeah, a nice little day trip, just wish there was a bit more vaguely RC related stuff. So thanks for watching, sorry it was a bit short, I could have waffled on a bit more, but you just get the same waffles as last year's show. So feel free to comment, like if you liked, and of course subscribe if you're not already. Bye guys.
course they've got smaller than that now.
Right. Hang on. Right. Okay, Peter. I just wanted to do something down there, didn't you?